Okay, I'm using a little app called Loom to record my screen to show you guys how to set up MyFitnessPal. So you just sign in with an email. So this is going to be the first of a series of short videos just showing you really basic things about how to start using MyFitnessPal. So I just signed in with a Gmail account I created from scratch just for you because I care about you so much. And we'll just say my first name is Paul here. So put in your name. It's going to have goals. Like none of this really matters too much, honestly, in the setup. This part of the setup, anyway. And we're going to toggle through this. We're going to say, okay, I couldn't, lose weight because I didn't. There's whatever you choose is fine. Um, like none of these really matter a lot. I think they're mainly so that the app can market to you. But so just kind of get through these little exercises here. So this actually kind of matters a little bit. It says, what is your baseline activity level? Because it's going to use this information to build how many calories you need to achieve a certain weight or to stay a certain weight or whatever. So just select whatever's true. And then I'm a 46-year-old dude and I live in the US and I weigh 240 pounds and I'm 6'4". And let's just say, like, I know that there are people who want to lose a lot of weight. I always just recommend starting with a small goal and then, once you achieve that goal, then making another small goal. So you might have a goal of losing 100 pounds or 50 pounds or 30, whatever it is. I wouldn't do more than 10%, but I would start with something like 10 pounds. So that's what I've done in this example is, my goal weight is 230 pounds. And, 1 pound per week is a really achievable kind of sustainable long-term weight loss goal. You can do that for a long time and really not suffer too much for it. So while we would all like to lose 2 pounds a week, I think I would go with half pound or 1 per week as a reasonable goal. And then, you just got to agree to the terms and conditions. Not a big deal. So, okay, so that's going to create our application here. I guess the question becomes, is this a free app? Is this paid for? It is free. There's a free version. There's also a paid version, and all these things have advantages, right? So the free version is obviously advantageous because it's free and it's easy to use, and I'll show you how. The paid version is cool because you can scan barcodes, and there's a few other cool like bells and whistles, but the scan and barcodes thing is really neat. If you've got a package of something, or you can scan any barcode of food and it will pull it up. It's amazing what MyFitnessPal has in terms of like everything under the sun is loaded into this app. So this says I need to eat 3,230 calories per day to lose 5 pounds by May 22nd. So you can use your phone to track steps. You can get their emails if you want to. Those are all options, right? So here's going to advertise to you. Just X out of that if you don't want to do the premium thing. Maybe you do want to do the premium thing. You can always do a free trial of it and see if you like the scan, of course. But I'll X out of that and then X out of this little ad thing. And then voila, I'm in the free thing. So that's, 1 second, let me click out of here. That's all you really need to do to sign up. So I guess the question becomes, is this for weight loss, for muscle building, or what's this for? And I think for me, it's all about accuracy. It's all about clarity of knowing what you're eating and how much protein is in it. So in future videos here, I'm going to walk you through, how to set goals, how to log your first meal, kind of understanding, how to log exercise and calories and things, and just like staying consistent with it, basically. So just some helpful videos, I hope, for you guys. That's how you get into it. I think the take-home message for this is don't go too crazy on the weight loss goal up front. In our next video here, I am going to show you just how to again set realistic goals in terms of protein and things like that, and really drill down on those macros. So just click that next video, and we'll get into it. Thanks.